Yeah, it is so hot. I'm so sweaty. But I just want to show you some of these amazing Turkana bags that I've got on my bike. It is made of such a high quality. I tell you that, take my word for it. It is such good quality. It will last you a lifetime. Let me show you some of these Turkana bags on my bike. I I have to get rid of this jacket. It is extremely hot, but whew, let me show you. Number one, I've got this Turkana bags cable tied to my crash bar, but this is so convenient for water bottles, for some of your passports or documents, or snacks, your tools and everything. I always say if your bike falls down, it's got a cushion, so it also protects your bike. I've got this 8-liter Bullfrog Turkana tank bag. It is an amazing bag. You get smaller ones, but it fits so tightly. Look at that. It's not going anywhere. And the thing of this is your brackets on your other tank bags break, or it rattle loose, or it rattles and it breaks, especially on gravel roads and stuff. Now this bag does not. So basically this one sits tight and it's very easy to open it. You can easily disconnect it. If you need to put in petrol or anything, you can easily just disconnect it, open it, and there, easy as pie. So if you want to reconnect, and then you've got this harness around your headstock of your bike. So basically all you do is there, tight, and you can take it off by just loosening that strap here. You also have another one. I just need to put that on, where you can click it in here and you can just unclick it, and you can take it off very easy. But even this is so easy to take off. So listen, I can really tell you that this is a great product, and there is so much stuff you can put in here. And this is sort of water resistant, but it's got a bag inside that's watertight. So you can put in electronic equipment. I went to Lesotho with this bike with cameras and stuff inside here, and I guarantee you it rained. It rained so much that I had to pour the water out of my boots, but nothing in here. My stuff were so dry, so I'm very happy with this. Just to quickly show how the Bullfrog looks inside. You've got a lot of zips here. Look at those zips. There's a little, you can put your cell phone in there like that, and then there's a little hole there you can put your charging cable through. I've got a lot of other just random things inside here. As you can see, all that's wet is me. It's so hot. Okay, but I enjoy my bag. Very, very, very nice. Very easy. This I can still take away. You just weave that through and then it's extra security. You can also cut it, but just remember to burn. And this strap just holds the two straps together so it doesn't fall into your engine. And at the moment it is here. I don't know if you will see, it's secured to my bike's steering head there, but it mustn't go in between anything like wires and inhibit turning. Very nice fitted bike with all the Turkana gear. I absolutely love it. And then I have this Hippo Hips. It's also very easy to install. This is the Hippo Hips. This is 20-liter Hippo Hips. It's so easy to install and take off. Basically there's just there's an extra band here for extra security, but you just open this, you pull it through there, and you pull it through here, and then there at the bottom you also have just pull it out there and pull it out there, and then you take it there's your bag. Easy, easy, easy. And it's so convenient. I've got stuff inside here, but there's a watertight lining and a bag inside as well. This is very water resistant, but you've got that extra security of the water, this watertight bag inside. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I installed this plates. You don't have to. You get that other straps, gecko grips that you can put around your bike, but I installed this. This is the hard pannier plates of Turkana. It fits smack to your pannier. In this case, it fits nearly every pannier, but in this case, I use Rockfox panniers. It's a great brand, South African made, good quality, and it will last you a long time. This Rockfox is brilliant. Go for Rockfox. But okay, I fitted this plate. It was easy to fit. To put it back, you have this handle here. You just put your handle around that. Easy. The back is off your hands, and then you put it through here, and you pull it there. Okay, and then this one goes over here. It's just a bit tight now, but it goes over here, and you click it, and same with this one. As I there. Now what I also will do is here at the bottom there's a little red look how easy it is. Before you actually can see it's in, there's a little red little thingy here, whatever, and then you pull it through. Okay, I'm just trying to be fancy and not in front of the camera, but there, done. And then you've got this, very easy for extra security. This you just press in here. It's just a bit tight at the moment. So, there. Okay, that is not going anywhere. Then lastly, I have this duffler bag. I went to Lesotho on this duffler bag. It is amazing. You don't, it's a 66 liter, you get 40 and you get smaller, but it's amazing to think how much stuff you can put in this bag, and it is watertight. My clothes, computer, laptop, everything was dry here in this bag. And it's got the molly system. I mollied this bag. It's a 5 liter bag. You can put extra stuff. I put my drone in there, or some snacks, or whatever you want to put in there. It's your choice. You can molly it here. There's instructions how to molly on the website, and you can molly it to the bag. It is not going anywhere. Okay, it's easy. You can strap it to your bike the way you want to. I just use some fastening straps here, and what I sometimes do with this strap, I put the strap in, and then not now, but normally if I go, I molly it here through this straps, so it's got extra security. I'm not selling this stuff. This is really good quality products. This went in rain, through gravel, to Lesotho with me and back, and they literally looks like new. I love Turkana. I give Turkana a big thumbs up. Yes. I also just want to mention Rockfox again. Now you see, you can't see the Rockfox at the moment because most of the Rockfox is underneath my bag. But remember, it's those things that you sometimes can't see. It's the one bolt in the engine that keeps everything going. So I also say get good quality panniers, and crash bars and engine guards and bash plates for Rockfox, I will give a thumbs up. Rockfox pannier here. See, it's very sturdy. You can fit it so easily. There's literally on a side 3 bolts. You put it on and 1 extra bolt there for extra security at the back. And then this is the engine guard. Also it safeguards your engine from falling, and you will see it also fastens not on the engine but here on the bracket. That bracket, if you fall, won't hurt your engine. And then yeah, my Rockfox, and then the bash plate, very hard. You can hear this is not steel to play with. It's very important to get it on your Transalp, because there's an oil sump here at the bottom and pipes that with rocks can get damaged. So very important, get your Rockfox. Here also my Rockfox, the Turkana bag is attached to it now, but good quality. You will see it also looks very nice. It attached here at the bottom. It's not this big thing that comes over here. It is quite subtle, and you can also fit your spotlights on. And look at that. I think it is perfect. It gives you a guarantee and safeguards your motorbike, or my motorbike, for any time I have a fall. Before the flies eats me alive, I'm on my way and want to go and drink something cool, because the weather is hot. But that's just another thing. The Turkana bags has UV protection on it, so the sun won't damage it. And it's also like a, I don't know what, talk to the people that knows all the lingo, but there's it feels like a waxy, it feels actually nearly waxy on top, soft, I don't know how to explain, but water literally rolls off it like on a duck's back. But otherwise, yes, I'm very happy. Thank you Turkana, thank you Rockfox. I just want to make one more mention. My wonderful Transalp. The Transalp is, I love the bike. It is an extremely nice bike. It's very good when it comes to on-road and touring. I rode about 3,000 k's in 8 days, and it is on road, it is amazing. Off-road, it's enough for me. I went through the most worst roads in Lesotho, and that bike was perfect. Honda overall is just a great motorbike. It's reliable. I go to Honda Wing George. It is great. Luigi and the people there, they are very friendly, and then also very friendly when it comes to services and very reasonable prices. Now, okay, that's enough chatting from me. The flies are like literally attacking me, and I'm hot, and I think I want to go and drink something cool, and see you later.